Welcome to iPundit Solutions. Today, the control loop placement utility in Smart 3D is being presented. This utility is used to place control stations efficiently within the Smart 3D model. The process begins by navigating to the Tools menu and opening Custom Commands. In the Custom Commands dialog box, select the control station utility and click on the Run option, which opens the utility interface on screen. The utility form header displays important details such as the utility version and release date. Within the interface, select the required control station based on the project requirements. A preview window is provided, allowing the user to zoom in, zoom out, and review the assembly before placement and enter the necessary parameters, including length, height in millimeters, and reducer size in inches. Next, click on the Select Position option and select the desired placement point on the piping feature within the Smart 3D model. After placing the loop at the selected point, the right and left arrow keys can be used to rotate and adjust the loop as required. Once the desired orientation is achieved, right-click to return to the list box. After finalizing the position and orientation, select the Place Assembly button to insert the control station into the model. Finally, verify the placed control station in the Smart 3D Workspace Explorer to ensure it has been correctly positioned. As demonstrated, the control loop placement utility provides a simple and efficient way to place control stations in Smart 3D. Thank you.